welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be cutting my box braids into a bob. I just wanted to do something different like before I take my hair down. So I'm tying both sides up, and I'm using this little, I don't even know what that is, like a headband thing, but you just need 2 hair ties so that you can tie both sides together. And I'm trying to move it down so that they're even. It's not completely even, but it's fine. And then I'm just using my scissors and I'm cutting above the ponytail holder. And once I finish cutting all of it, I'm going in and checking like the hair that I cut, making sure none of my hair was in it. And so that's what I came up with. And you can see right there, I'm pulling, that's my hair right there. So I know I didn't cut too far. And then I'm using rubber bands and I'm banding the ends up. And with this, I would say to do this at the very end. I didn't even like go in on the other side yet, and I'm already banding this side. So wait for the very last part till both sides are cut to do the ends. So this is what this side is looking like. I was really happy with the length on this side, but I went ahead and we're moving on to the other side, and I'm just taking the ponytail thing, I rewrapped it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it down some and then cut it. Now for this side, I made the mistake and I cut my hair, like I pulled down the hair a lot more than I should have, I guess. And so I ended up cutting it a lot shorter than the other side. I was really mad about it because the other side had a really nice, perfect length. And as you can see, it's really uneven, and I was so mad about it. Like, that's why I say to band up the hair at the very end. I did go back in and make sure that my hair was not in the hair that got cut. And that side, I went ahead and banded it up because I knew that if I had cut the other side a little bit shorter than that side, then like I'm not going to go any shorter because my hair is like right at the edge. So I went ahead and banded that side up. And then in the other side, I had to cut it a little bit more. It still wasn't even, y'all. Like, it still was too short. This side right here was too short than the other side, if that makes sense. And then yeah, I'm just cutting my hair and you can just watch. So now this is how both sides are looking. It's not too noticeable. Like if you look straight on at it, it's not, or it's obviously noticeable, but I feel like you can't notice it that much if I'm like far away. I don't know. Anyway, I'm went ahead and I'm banding the ends up on this side because, like I said, I'm not going any more shorter. So I went ahead and just left it like that. And then I went ahead, I tried to make a side part. I don't know, I feel like a side part might have made it look a little bit more even. So that's how I styled it or whatever. And this is how it's looking. This is how the back looks. It's obviously uneven, but anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. And if you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.